What to expect in the next week regarding Bitcoin and Ethereum prices. Both the cryptocurrencies Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, which are both showing bearish signals at the start of the new week, are still losing money. The overall cryptocurrency market is also having trouble, as Bitcoin and ETH have both dropped by more than 6% over the last few days. Other well-known cryptocurrencies with unfavorable sentiment include Litecoin, LTC, and Dogecoin, Doge. The Federal Reserve is more likely to adopt a hawkish attitude as a result of the steady stream of positive U.S. economic statistics, which is one of the main causes hurting the market for cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. The Silvergate scandal has also made the market's losses worse. In the meantime, Binance's management voiced worries about potential regulatory problems stemming from their partnership with Binance US. It's important to note that Binance thinks US regulators will see them as a single organization, which might lead to regulatory challenges and significant Bitcoin losses. Moving ahead, the cryptocurrency market is projected to strengthen as traders and investors eagerly await strong economic data from China, which is anticipated to be announced this week. What's coming up next week? Two significant economic events will be watched by investors later today. The announcement of Switzerland's CPI month-over-month result at 7:30 a.m. will be eagerly watched first. Compared to the 0.5% gain seen the month before, the market anticipates a 0.6% growth. Second, the announcement of Canada's IV Purchasing Managers Index, PMI, at 3 p.m. will also be widely observed. The figure for the previous month was 60.1, and the market expects this month's reading to be 55.9. There are a number of important economic developments to follow on Friday, including the publication of employment statistics for the US and Canada. Together with the USD average hourly earnings meter per meter, non-farm employment change, and unemployment rate, this also contains the CAD employment change and unemployment rate. Investors and traders pay close attention to these data points since they can significantly affect the financial markets, especially those for stocks and currencies. Risk-averse attitude in the Bitcoin market. During the weekend, the market for cryptocurrencies fell further as participants sought to comprehend the Silvergate scenario. In the past 24 hours, Bitcoin's value has varied between $22,500 and $22,600, a 1% decline. Like BTC, Ethereum's value decreased by 1% and is currently below $1,600. We might observe a slow recovery in digital assets overall if Silvergate's effects do not spread. The overall crypto market cap is still above $1 trillion, which is fantastic news for crypto traders and gives them some comfort. Also, Binance's management expressed worry about potential regulatory problems associated with their relationship with Binance US, its company in the United States. Binance worries that US regulators would see the two organizations as one, which might lead to regulatory issues. This occurs at a time when regulatory scrutiny of Binance and the larger cryptocurrency business is tightening. US dollar is sluggish, confusing traders. Investors have been anticipating Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's testimony and the release of February employment statistics, which might potentially influence how aggressively the US central bank acts. As a result, the broad-based US dollar has been sending out conflicting signals. The dollar index, which compares the currency to 6 major peers, was down 0.057% at 104.560, and the dollar has been range-bound at 104.560. The index, nevertheless, was still quite near to the 105.367-week high it attained the previous week. The small declines in the US dollar's value may provide some comfort for the cryptocurrency market by limiting its losses. Bitcoin cost. Bitcoin is currently trading at $22,357.71 and has a 24-hour trading volume of $18,546,058,671. The price of Bitcoin has dropped by 0.26% over the past 24 hours. The BTC/USD pair is currently stabilizing inside a constrained trading range of $22,000 to $22,500, according to technical analysis. The Bitcoin market may experience additional price movement if this range is violated. A bullish breakthrough, which may expose BTC to the $22,800 or perhaps $23,250 levels, is possible if the price breaks over the $22,500 mark. But there is a chance for a rebound if support maintains around the $22,000 or $21,750 level. Ethereum cost. Ethereum currently has a value of $1,570 with a 24-hour trading volume of $6.7 billion. The value of Ethereum has decreased by 0.15% during the last day. Technically speaking, the ETH/USD pair is presently trading in a constrained range between $1,550 and $1,580. Ethereum's price could find support at $1,500 if it drops below the $1,560 threshold. It should be noted, though, that strong resistance exists at the $1,620 or $1,680 levels, which may serve to halt any additional price drops.